Right, start. These are for the two sides. You need two of these about 7 inches long. Put them in a vise and then put them in your drill and just twist them and it will straighten them out like that. So it's dead straight. Same with these ones. These are the thinner ones. These are for making the bead in the middle with this one. These are the two side pieces. So we're going to twist these now to the right hand side. And then two to the right and then two in reverse to get the patch. Now, here's the other one, and this is in reverse. And you've got the two, one way, one the other. Right, here's the bead. This is the beaded bit for the middle. I think it's a 4mm copper in the middle, and I think that is a 2mm that I'm doing the bead with. So keep going until you get to the top, and like I say, it needs to be about 7 inches long for the average blow. And that's the weave done. Just sanding both sides of this now flat. So when I get the sides, they sit up nice and snug. That's sanded both sides. Now this is the one side. I put just sand the one side of that. Then you put them together, you get no gaps. Just makes a nice neat job, easy to TIG. There you go. Put them together. That's it. Now I'm just TIGging it all together now. Just hit every one of them ones. Put plenty of little spot welds on them all. Make sure it doesn't fall apart. I'm using a phosphorus bronze filler rod here. And it's like brass. I'm doing the tabs on the ends now. Right, just going to clean it up now. Start and sand it all up and get it looking nice. Do the ends, sand these ends up, get it down to the copper, and then straight away over the top, flatten this out, clean it all up and get it looking sparkly. So now, we'll polish it up now. Final polish, well, not a final polish. This is a polish just before I bend it to get it up a bit nearly there. Then this is the way I bend it. I made this little tool just to bend it in. Slowly just bend it round till you get the shape you want, nice shape you want. And I give it another quick buff and it's all done, ready to rock. Hope you liked the video. This was an all copper bracelet, this one. like and subscribe. See you on the next one.